We'll guide you through how to remove an iCloud account from an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Here we are on an iPhone, and you're wanting to remove the iCloud account. We'll guide you through how this is done step by step. What you need to do is come into the settings like this. Just remember, when it's removed, the data which you have synced with the iCloud account will stop being synced. So what you can do is you can go and tap at the top here like this. Now you need to go and scroll down. At the bottom, we need to find the option to sign out. If it's not available due to restrictions, scroll down and find screen time. Scroll down and we'll turn off content and privacy restrictions. Enter in the code and come back and press change screen time passcode and press turn off screen time passcode and enter in the code. Now come back to the account at the top and scroll down, find the option to sign out. It's going to say about erasing the iPhone, but we don't want to, so we can press sign out but don't erase at the bottom. Then go to the bottom and press continue. You're going to see what's going to be removed and press continue. This will go and remove the entire Apple and iCloud account, and the password needs to be entered to confirm this. Press the tick in the bottom right and it's now being signed out. Go and wait. That's it. We've now successfully gone and done it.